Imagine meeting someone new and suddenly your mind goes blank. How do you even start? It happens to everyone, especially in a new language.
That's such a common experience. Hi everyone, I'm Anna, and together with Ollie, we'll take the stress out of introductions. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to introduce yourself in clear, simple English.
Exactly. We'll show you the basics. How to say your name, where you're from, what you do, and even string it all together in a real conversation.
Plus, we'll have you practicing along with us and give you easy phrases you can use right away. Ready to boost your confidence? Let's jump in.
Let's start super simple. Giving your name. This might sound obvious, but it's the foundation of any introduction.
Absolutely. You can say, "Hello, my name is Anna." If you want it shorter, "Hi, I'm Anna" works just as well. Notice how natural both sound?
Totally, and you can swap the full I am for the contraction I'm without sounding less formal. For example, I'm Ollie.
Right, and it's great for making conversation quick and easy. Listeners, try saying your name now using both versions. It really helps to say it out loud.
Once you've shared your name, people often ask where you're from. It's a great way to connect.
I always find that sharing your country or city opens the door for more conversation. Try, "I am from Canada," or, in my case, "I am from Uzbekistan."
It's simple, but it tells people a lot about you. And if you want to practice, just repeat after us. I am from, plus your country or city.
Funny how stating just your location can spark curiosity. People often want to know more, so it's a perfect conversation starter.
After name and origin, people usually want to know what you do. Are you a student? Do you work?
Exactly. You can say, "I am a student," or "I am a teacher." If your job is different, try, "I work in an office."
And if you're studying, you can simply say, I study English. That one probably fits a lot of our listeners.
That's the beauty of these phrases, they're flexible. Swap in your own job or hobby and you're ready for any introduction.
Now, let's see how it sounds when you combine everything. I'll go first. Hello, my name is Ali. I am from Uzbekistan. I am a teacher.
And here's mine. "Hello, I'm Anna. I'm from Canada. I am a student." See how the pieces fit together?
When you put it all in one flow, it sounds natural and makes a great first impression.
If you're listening, pause and try saying your own full introduction using these sentences. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Let's quickly recap the essential phrases. My name is, I am from, I study, and I work.
Those are your building blocks. Mix and match them to fit your story, and don't stress about mistakes. Everyone learns at their own pace.
The main thing is to use these sentences out loud, even if you're just talking to yourself at home.
Honestly, practicing every day, even for 5 minutes, can make you feel so much more comfortable when you actually meet someone new.
Let's wrap up with 3 big takeaways. First, keep introductions simple: name, where you're from, and what you do are enough to start.
Second, use the short forms like "I'm" to sound more natural. And third, don't be afraid to practice out loud, mistakes and all.
Your action step. Write your own introduction using the phrases we practiced today. Even better, share it in the comments so we can cheer you on.
We love reading your intros, and it's a great way to build your confidence. Keep practicing every day, and you'll be surprised how quickly you improve.
Thanks for joining us. We'll be back soon with more easy English tips.
Bye everyone, keep speaking and see you in the next lesson.